In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete an audience on Mailchimp. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are wanting to delete an audience on Mailchimp for any reason, say if you have got the free plan, you will need to delete an audience before you can create a new one because the free plan only allows for one audience. But if you have got a premium plan and you are wanting to delete one, this is how you can do it. So first of all, once you have logged in to Mailchimp, what you'll need to do is come to the left hand side bar over here, and then you will need to scroll down until you find audiences, which is this little icon here. Click on audience, and then what that will do is it will bring up this audience here. So what you can do is you can click on manage audience, and then you can click on view audiences. And then what that will do is it will show you a list of all the audiences you have got. So once it loads up, I will show you what it looks like, and as you can see, this is the list of all my audiences, and if I wanted to go ahead and delete this, what I need to do is simply check this box here, and then that will give me the option right here to delete. So click on delete, and then go ahead and scroll down, and then you'll need to type delete to confirm this. So type in delete and then select delete again, and as you can see, my audience has now been deleted. So that's how you can go ahead and delete an audience on Mailchimp.